Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new around here, I'm Desiree and I make plant-based dishes with a Latin twist on my blog Rican Vegan. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own vanilla extract with just 2 ingredients. Lately, I've noticed that the price of vanilla has been increasing and getting a little ridiculous. I don't know what's going on that's driving up the price of vanilla, but it's getting expensive and the amount you're getting isn't worth it. I've seen a little 2-ounce bottle of pure vanilla extract cost at least $12. In my house, we use a lot of vanilla, so it starts to add up when you buy it on a regular basis. I thought, with the money I'm spending on buying vanilla, why not use it to buy the ingredients I need to make my own vanilla extract at home? It's pretty easy to make, and all you need are some fresh vanilla beans and a bottle of your favorite vodka or bourbon. The price of vanilla beans depends on the type, grade, and quantity you buy, so it may seem like you're paying a lot more money when you make your own vanilla extract, but that all depends on the quality of the vanilla beans you choose to use. The higher the quality the beans are, the more it will cost. But by making it yourself, you're actually paying less per ounce and getting a lot more than you would if you bought it in the supermarket. Plus, it's pure. I get the vanilla beans online from Amazon since it's cheaper there. I've included a link to the vanilla beans I use down below. To make the vanilla extract, first pour out a cup of the alcohol from the bottle and store it in a resealable container. This is to make room for the vanilla beans so the alcohol doesn't overflow from the bottle when you add them. For this recipe, I used vodka. I used 12 vanilla beans because I like my vanilla to have a deep flavor, but you can add even more vanilla beans if you want. Slice each bean in half lengthwise. You can use a knife or scissors to cut the beans. I found that the scissors work better when slicing them in half. Using the tip of your knife, carefully scrape all of the vanilla seeds from the bean and add it to the vodka. Place the entire vanilla bean in the bottle and do this again for all of the bean pods. Make sure that the alcohol covers all of the bean pods. Close the bottle and store in a dark place at room temperature for at least 2 months. The vodka becomes the vanilla extract, and the longer you let the beans sit, the better the vanilla tastes. This is what the vanilla looks like 6 months later. You can leave the beans in the bottle, and as you use the vanilla, refill the bottle with the alcohol you originally removed in the beginning and let it sit to continue making more vanilla. I love the way this homemade vanilla enhances the flavor of any recipe that calls for vanilla. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I've included a link to the full recipe in the description below. If you want to check out more of my delicious plant-based recipes, head over to my website at ricanvegan.com, and if there's a recipe you would like for me to veganize, let me know in the comments. If you like this video, hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel for more recipe videos like this one. Also hit the bell to get notified when I post new videos. If you're not following me on social media, then go follow me right now at Rican Vegan on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Since you made it this far in the video, why don't you check out one of my other videos by clicking here, and while you're at it, click over here to subscribe to my channel so you get notified when I post new videos. There's going to be a new video coming out next week where I'm cooking up something new and delicious, so stay tuned.